So it's Saturday morning and we're back out. The guys came back out to actually seal the top of the pool. I guess there's some kind of special caulking that they put up in there. So right now they're out taping so they don't get anything on the new tile. They did a scraping clean up in the joint there so they can get all the caulk in that they need to. I'm just doing a quick walk around here to show you what they're going to do today. The guy's got his tools, grinder, tools, batteries, stuff like that. And this here, this is the caulking. Look at this. Look at it all. There's so much. That's a lot of caulking. We're looking forward to it. So today, Saturday morning, someone from the pool company showed up to seal around the top of the tile work they did the other day. They put a nice flexi type of sealer on that, and it looks really nice. I'll get you honed in on it there. Doesn't that look nice? It's a nice little finished product now. Nice and finished. I'll just do a little walk around. Now the next time they come out, they're going to take the floor cleaners out, those things there. That's their next job. And then they'll be gone until the spring. So everything's falling into place for the refinished job we've got here. You can see it from this angle. This gives it a nice finished look. And there you have it. Thanks for staying in tune.